Hello dear students, once again welcome to your important EVS class in which we are going to discuss the second part of this chapter, Every Drop Counts. In your previous class you have already gone through that the king of Rajasthan who made 9 lakes and how the rainwater was being collected on those lakes, and after that how the water utilized by the people for various purposes, and after that we have talked about various ways of getting water, and also we have discussed about the step well. We have talked about Alberoni and how he came to India and getting surprised by seeing the process in what way people were conserving the water and they are utilizing water for various purposes. All those things already we have gone through. Now in this class we are going to talk about the other issues. We should be sensitive enough towards the water because it is needful for us in every step of our life. Those things we are going to discuss in this class. Okay, let us start. Now we are moving to another issue, that we are even worshipping this water also, or many of our rituals we are conducting inside water or nearby water. That is I am going to show you. See this. What is the picture? It is saying you. It is Chhat Puja. It is one of the important festival of Bihar. Let us see some examples how we are taking the help of water. We need water to conduct our worship or puja, isn't it? So let us see that. See this picture. Yes, it is showing the picture of a Chhat Puja. The woman is performing Chhat Puja. Yes, one of the biggest festival of our India, where it is very needful that one will submerge him or herself, then offer some offerings to sun god. Without that water resource, that puja or that worship cannot be performed. Now see another pic. See, can you identify this picture? It's a beautiful Sandhya Aarti of Haridwar beside river Ganga. It is the biggest Sandhya Aarti and the people are being gathered there and every day they are conducting. They are worshipping Ganga. So here also very much required, that is we are worshipping our rivers. And that is why this Sandhya Aarti every day in Banaras, in Haridwar they are conducting. Now see this. That is of course given in your book also. That one of the lady, she is offering something inside the well. And beside that another picture is there. There is an immersion of idol. Because we are worshipping idol. So definitely we need again the water resources for immersion of idol. As I told you now, we are polluting water. You have seen this segment that in what way we need water. I will show you more pictures. You can identify. See this picture. From here it is very clear. We know that in our Pitra Paksh, we are offering tribute to our elders, late elders, those who have died. We are doing that tarpan, that is called tarpan. Also that is done near the water resource. We are giving tribute to them. Okay. So this way various festivals, various occasions, rituals are there in which we need the water resources very much. Before going to next, let us have an activity. Okay. Let us do our activity. So here from the picture you can see that. Choose the correct word and put in proper place. Okay. There are given in bracket Aarti, Bath and Puja, Alberoni and Tubewell, and left column some of the pictures are given in a small form, and right hand side some square boxes are there. There you have to identify and you have to write that what is it. So I am giving you few seconds to do, so you can do it. I know that very quickly you can do it. You can easily identify that what you have to write. Quickly write it out. Okay, I think you have done it. Yes, let me reveal the answer before you. I know that you have done it definitely. So first picture, that is one man by submerging half he is offering something and worshipping, isn't it? correct word is given here, bath and puja. So you can write there bath and puja beside that. Then the next slide, it is, we can see one tube well picture is there. Yes, we are having one tube well word is there. So we will put tube well there. Okay. Now next picture, that is already I have shown you rituals of India, Hinduism especially, and what is the importance of river and water. While saying so, I have shown you that picture. Yes, that picture is given here, and you see that beside that what are the stock of words we are having? Yes, we are having Aarti. So you can write the word here Aarti. Another one, the famous person, that picture of that personality I have shown you, and I have told you also that in what way he was surprised and praised a lot about our Indian people, about the collection on water, process of collecting water and all. So this man's picture is given here. Yes, you have rightly guessed, that is Al-Biruni. So this way, now I think you have understood, those are the points what we have discussed, you got through. Now we will move towards another issues. Okay, do you have some special pots for water at your place? Have you seen some different types of pots what you are using to collect water? Okay, in your book it is showing two different types of pots. Let us look into it. Look, water is being filled in this beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow pot of brass is seen in the other picture. Many stone carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. See the pictures here, two types of different pots were being shown in your book. Now today we are using different types of pots, isn't it? We are using steel pots, we are using the clay matkas or clay pots which keep the water clean and cool also during time of summer. Okay, then we are also using clay surahis to get cool water, cool and fresh water during summer times, isn't it? This is a very traditional way. Nowadays thermoflask type of water bottles are there which are keeping our water cool. We are having water purifier, we are having RO system, etc. So we have advanced a lot, but still then traditional things are also having some value. Now we will go through some facts in your book, whatever it is given, that is in 1986 there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. So people remembered the old and forgotten step well, that is Bawali. They cleaned the step well and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the step well, and after a few years it rained well and again the step well was forgotten. So here lies our mistake, that we are understanding during time of our need we are also trying to utilize them, we are getting also some benefits from them, utility from them, but after that when we are getting water then we are forgetting them. So here lies our mistake, that we must not. Along with whatever the advancement we are making, we must hold those process also. Then perhaps it would happen that if today we will face any kind of problem, then we can shift to those resources to get water. Moral talk about the water. When we are talking about water, its utilization, its conservation, then some moralities needs to develop. Some sense of morality must develop. Let us talk over that. What are those? Everyone has the right to live. Yet, is everybody getting enough water to live or even water to drink? Some people have to buy drinking water. Water on this earth is for one and all. Some people draw out water from the ground by deep bore wells. Some people put a pump directly on the pipeline. Others face problem due to this. So here we have jot down the sentences wherefrom you can find that what are the illegal things or what are the things wrong we are doing with the water. And due to those wrong actions, many others are suffering. As it is said, some people put a pump directly on the pipeline, due to which others are facing problem. Now see that. See this picture. Here from you can come to know that what really I want to talk with you. I told you we must develop some sensitivity towards water. Already we have discussed about how we are performing rituals, lot of rituals. We need water resources for performing our rituals. But see this picture. We perform lot of rituals near water resources. We need water resources for performing our rituals. But see this, while performing, how careless we are, and this way we are polluting the rivers. So it is very high time for us to become sensitive towards that, to be alert about it and find out some other way that we must perform our ritual. But at the same time, we should be careful that we should not pollute river resources or water resources, isn't it? Now see that, this is another way. This is the fatal consequences of our urbanization process. This picture is showing how the city waste as well as the industrial waste are directly draining to river. Which river water we are getting, we are drinking, and other aqua animals are also getting. Don't you feel it is very high time for us to become alert and sensitive towards it, and of course spread sensitization towards other. This is an alarming bell for us, threatening bell for us. See this, our globe, it should have looked blue due to water resources, and now see this picture. You are thinking, no, it is not going to happen. Yes dear, if we will not become sensitive towards it, and if we will consume water, waste water, not only consume, waste water, and not change our habit and not conserve water, then definitely that day will come very soon. Yes. Now important facts from your book. There are some groups that worked hard to bring water to the people of different areas. They asked the elders about the water arrangement in their times. They rebuilt the old lakes and johads and also built new ones. Let us see how the group called Tarun Bharat Sangh helped Darki Mai. She lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. So it is the fact. See that how these people are helping this woman. Now before going to the story of Darki Mai, let me talk about how the women of Rajasthan are really suffering due to the scarcity of water. We are talking about the present days. The women sometimes took all night to pull water from the well for the animals. Can you imagine that? Throughout the day they are working, they are cooking, they are managing their families and all, and throughout night they are pulling water. How painful it is. In the summer, when the wells dried up, they had to leave the village. Darki Mai heard about this group and asked for help. This group, Tarun Bharat Sangh. Then together the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk and they have started earning more. So together, what happened? Here only some people became concerned about it, sensitive about it, and when together they have taken effort, definitely the problem solved. This way our problem also can be solved. Now another activity for you. So activity, question number 1. In my previous classes also I told you to hold your pen and paper with you. When you are sitting to have my class, always hold your pen and paper. So now also you are having, come on, do it quickly. Which state first adopted rainwater harvesting? Then question number 2, which group helped Darki Mai? Then question number 3, in which year there was no rain in Jodhpur? Who first took initiative to clean river Ganga? So here all the questions were being taken to recall you all the facts whatever you have gone through. So do it quickly. I know that you need only few seconds to do. Come on, do it. Let me reveal the answer before you. That is answer number 1. Tamil Nadu first adopted rainwater harvesting officially. Then answer number 2. Tarun Bharat Sangh helped Darki mine. Then answer number 3. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur. Then answer 4. Late PM Mr. Rajiv Gandhi took first initiative to clean river Ganga. So, we have gone through all the whatever the facts are there. So, I hope that now you will open your book and go through the book. You can easily understand the lesson, and whatever the questions were being given there, you can do it easily. So, let us finish the chapter. Every drop counts. I hope you have understood. We will discuss another lesson in the next class. Okay, take care, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.